to Study with Marsha YouTube channel. So my dear friends, today we are going to learn how to select the correct channel when scheduling a meeting. Let's get started. First of all, open your Teams window and then find the calendar. Now click the new meeting button from the right top corner. Okay, so let's start by filling the content. First, let's give a name for our meeting. Always try to maintain a format so that the students can easily find the meeting. So let's give ICT with Miss Marsha. Always mention the subject together with your name. If you have more than 2 sessions for each week, you can mention the proper day with brackets so that the students will join the correct meeting without getting confused. I will put Monday inside brackets. Under the Participants tab, you can mention any other teachers or else any student who you need to highlight. I will add my head teacher. Now, this part is not compulsory. If you want, you can skip it. Now we are going to add the date and the time. I will add 10th of Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Please double check the time and confirm whether you have added AM and PM properly. If you are going to repeat the classes daily or else weekly, you can click it and add it as weekly. Now comes the most important part. So here you need to find the correct team and then the correct subject channel. So here please do not select general. Alright, now you can give save. So here see, after few seconds my scheduled meeting will be visible in the calendar. So if you want to find your scheduled meeting again, you can use the Teams tab and go to the correct team and then find the correct channel. Alright, so here is my scheduled meeting. So this way will be more easier than using the calendar. So don't forget to change the meeting options from here to avoid muting and removing attendant problems. So this option will be compulsory for all the teachers to avoid the future problems. So let's follow these steps and fix our meeting options. Click on the meeting. And then you can click on these meeting options. Now it will open in your web browser like this. If they ask you the username and password, mention the same username password which you are using for Microsoft Teams. Now select only me from who can present. Alright, now you can give save. So my dear friends, you can follow the same steps with the mobile phone too. If you are using a mobile or else a tablet, you can follow these steps. So my dear friends, be ready for the upcoming term by scheduling your own meeting. Good luck. So, see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.